Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Hello everyone. My name is Samir Javed, and today I'll be telling you about few important points related to document formatting. So let's start off. Over here we have a simple unformatted document which will be converting into a formatted one. So the most important item in the document is the very first thing, which is the document title. So let us let's see that how can we convert the document title into a proper format. So this is our document title. Let's select this and head over to the style section above, that's there in MS Word, and select the title style that's predefined in Word. And as soon as we click it, our document title is transformed into a different type of font, so it looks different from the rest of the document. That's one of the important part of the document title. Then we have our first paragraph of the document. So we can see there are a few listed items in this paragraph. So let's select this, and it's important that whenever you're listing a few items, to have them bulleted in the document, so the reader has flexibility and easiness to read them. So let's after selecting this, let's head over to the paragraph section over here and select the bullet points. This is the one where you can see it written in bullet, and select this different type. There are different types of bullets over here, so let's select this one. And as soon as we do, we can see that our selected text has been transformed into the bulleted form. Okay, next, the important part of the document formatting are headings. So a heading segregates one part of the document from another. So let's convert document headings in our document. And firstly, let's select this first one, the one that refers document formatting. This is first heading of our document. So we'll select this text over here and head over again to the style section and select the predefined heading style present over here in Word. As you can see, it has been changed to a heading type style. There are different types over here in Word which represent heading 1, and if it's a subheading, you can select heading 2, and so on and so forth. So let's format the rest of the headings in our document by selecting each one of them and assigning them the heading level as per their document structure. So we next select this one and format it to heading 2. See, it's slightly different than the first heading, so the reader can easily see which one is heading 1 and which one is heading 2. So let's do that to the rest of the headings, and we convert it to heading 2 as well. So we can see all of our headings have been formatted in our document. So it's starting to take shape. So you can see that it's showing different formats. It's showing how different topics are being mentioned. So it's easier for the reader to just take a look and understand what's been written in the document. So next the next item is the text alignment, which is also an important part of document formatting. So alignment is basically it tells how your text should look like and whether it will be aligned in a specific type. So let's select this and see what kind of alignments do we have. We have over here in paragraph section, we have left align. If you click it, it will align your text to the left. Then we have center line, left, right line, and then we have the justify or justification alignment. There are different types, so just to keep it simple, we'll simply select justify. So what it'll do, it will simply format our text from one margin to the other and justify its alignment. So the entire line will be equally justified from one end to the other. We'll do that to the rest of the text as well. So all of our paragraphs and under different headings look the same. We do this to justify as well, and the last one we do the same, and there we have it. So all of our contents are now justified, aligned, and if you zoom out of it, you can see that they're equally distributed. Another important aspect of document formatting is spell check. Spell check is an essential part where you need to make sure before you're sending this document to anyone, you run a spell check, so you have the corrections in place. So in case you incorrectly mentioned a spelling, or if there's any mistake, grammatical mistake in the document, Word will help you out in clearing that up. So you can go to the review tab over here, and there's the option spell check over here. If there are any corrections to be made, it will mention that. Otherwise, it will run through the entire document and let you know that your spellings and grammatical sentences are correct. So over here we have done good writing, so no issues found. Next part is the document font formatting. So as you can see, we can just by going through the text, we can see there are different types of fonts at this point in time. So it looks slightly different. So it seems that the contents of the documents are not consistent. So the one important and most important part is to format the text in a consistent format. Word provides an option for that as well. So if we head over to the styles after selecting the text, we can see a normal text alignment. So it has basically a specific type of alignment with a specific type of font. So if you select the text and click on normal, it will convert all the text into a similar format. So now your text looks the same. It has the same font, it has the same alignment. So we just converted back to justify because the normal format style had left alignment. So just bring it back to justify, we do that in our document, and there we have it. Now you can see this is a simple type of formatting where we can see there's a document title in place, a few bullets, and we have few headings formatted in our document. So this is all for now today, and in our next video we'll cover more details, and we look forward to hearing from you again. Take care, and Allah Hafiz.